In this video, we're breaking down U-Haul versus Penske to help you decide which moving truck rental is the best fit for your DIY move. U-Haul offers 6 different truck sizes: pickup trucks, vans, 10, 15, 20, and 26-foot box trucks. Penske only offers 5 with a high roof cargo van, 12, 16, 22, and 26-foot box trucks. U-Haul trucks have low loading decks and sturdier ramps to make moving easier. Penske 22 and 26-foot box trucks have a loading deck that sits 48 inches off the ground, making loading harder. Need towing? U-Haul trailers come in all shapes and sizes, offering 3 enclosed cargo trailers, 5 utility trailers, and 4 vehicle towing trailers. Penske only offers tow dollies and car carriers, but they must be towed behind a Penske truck, unlike U-Haul. Now, let's talk availability. U-Haul has over 25,000 locations in all 50 US states and 10 Canadian provinces, making it easier to find a truck near you. Penske only has around 2,500 locations. Fewer locations means more miles to pick up and drop off, meaning more time and money spent by you. For example, a move from Los Angeles, California to Salt Lake City, Utah with a 26-foot U-Haul truck would cost $2,034.76, while a Penske 26-foot truck would cost $2,228.80. When it comes to reliability, U-Haul stands out even more. U-Haul maintains one of the largest, most frequently serviced fleets in North America and Canada. Every truck and trailer goes through rigorous inspections and routine maintenance designed to keep equipment dependable and safe on the road. So, with all the facts, who would you choose? U-Haul offers more truck sizes, more locations, and more towing equipment. Millions of people choose U-Haul each year for long distance and local moves. With convenience, availability, reliability, and affordability, it's easy to see why. Ready to rent? Visit the link in the description or go to uhaul.com today.